Welcome students again to the English class of Standard 1, and this is video 2 of punctuation. So now we will do the exercises of the application book. This one is English application book C, and you have to take out page number 29, worksheet 11.6. Okay. A sentence is a set of words that has complete meaning. Sentences end with a full stop. That we just learned. All sentences begin with a capital letter. All special names of people, places, animals and things also begin with a capital letter. For example, Summer is a boy. Summer, S is in capital. Linda is in class 2. L again it is in capital. Tommy is my pet dog. Again T is in capital. It might rain today. It. The sentence always begins with the capital letter. I is in capital. Now let us do the questions. Rewrite these lines and add full stops and capital letters wherever needed. Rina is my best friend. We have to rewrite these lines and we have to add full stops and capital letters wherever it is needed. So Rina is a special name. Rina is my best friend. Now tell me what we will put here, full stop or question mark? This sentence is in a form of a question? No. So full stop. Roy and I go to school together. Roy. Again it's a name. So R will be in capital and what we learned just now, that pronoun I is always written in capital. So I, like this, go to school together. Okay, and here full stop. We also study together. And number 4 is we both love books and we share our books with each other. Now you have to write you have to rewrite these two sentences again using full stops and capital letters. Okay, so these two are homework. We play together in the park. Again, we will start the sentence with a capital letter. Play together in the park. And the sentence is completed, so here will be full stop. We also share food with each other. Again, we will begin the sentence with capital letter. Also share food with each other. So this sentence is completed here. Again at the end, full stop is there. Now it is clear? Now question number B. Read this short paragraph and rewrite the same with full stops, capital letters wherever needed. You have to read this paragraph very properly, nicely, and you have to use full stops and capital letters wherever it is needed. It is raining outside. We cannot play in the park. I will tell my friend Rina that today we shall read a book together. My mother has bought me a new book called Alice in Wonderland. It is full of magic and adventure. So we will start from here, and the first letter always will be in capital. Moreover, it is I, and the pronoun I is always written in capital, whether it is at the starting or in the middle. Okay. So it is raining outside. So what will be here? Full stop. We cannot play in the park. Again, I will tell my friend. I will tell my friend. Here, Rina is the special name, so capital letter, that today we shall read a book together. Up to here, one sentence is completed, so full stop. My mother. Again, from here, new sentence here. After full stop, a new sentence is there. My mother has bought me a new book called Alice in Wonderland. So my M will be capital. My mother has bought me a new book called Alice in Wonderland. Again, it's a special name. It's the name of a particular book. So Alice, the A of Alice will be again in capital. It's a special name. So special names are always written in capital. In, again, Wonderland, it's the name of a place. So again in capital. Full stop. It is full of magic and adventure. I. Here I is the starting of the sentence, and we know that the pronoun I is written in capital. Always we write I in capital. It is full of magic and adventure. Clear to all? Now in our class also we will give you some paragraphs like this, and you have to um, rewrite those paragraphs using full stops, question mark, and capital letters. Clear, students? Now do the homework, and today up to this much. Again we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye.